Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need an Apple ID, Facetime enabled, and an internet connection. Sign into settings if you haven't. Once done, open the Facetime app and tap the plus button to begin a call. Enter a contact name, phone number, or email. Facetime accepts any linked Apple ID. Make sure you pick audio or video by tapping the corresponding icon. This choice determines bandwidth and camera use. If you prefer a contact group, type multiple recipients before placing the call so everyone rings at once. You tap the green call button to start, and Facetime will ring the selected contacts. Choose video for camera or audio to save bandwidth. During the call, use the front/back camera toggle to change views, tap mute to silence your mic, and pinch or swipe to adjust video. Once connected, tap the screen to reveal controls and tap Add Person to convert a one-to-one call into a group session. These controls let you manage participation, privacy, and connection quality as you talk. End the conversation with the red hang up button. Before hanging up, make sure you recorded any needed details. If audio or video stutters, check Wi-Fi signal or switch to cellular data, and then retry the call. If the camera or mic aren't working, force close Facetime and reopen it, or reboot your iPhone. That often clears permission glitches. Make sure both you and the recipient run a compatible iOS and are signed into matching Apple ID addresses when using Facetime. Otherwise,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.